CSUN, Disability Resources and Educational Services, DRES. Hi, welcome to DRES. My name is Lorena, and in this video, I'll be going over how I get approved accommodations for my exams. How to use alternative testing. Before every semester, I log into SAS, find my classes, and request my accommodations for each course. My request then gets evaluated by the counselors over at DRES. Once I'm approved, that's when I contact my professors to discuss my approved testing accommodations. Sometimes, I approach my professor after lecture, or I go into their office hours to speak in private. Other times, I email them. In either case, I just make sure to communicate with my professors in managing my approved testing accommodations, which can range from extended time, another testing area, or if it's an online class in a quieter area in the library or even in my own house. Sometimes my professor doesn't have the resources to fulfill my accommodations. In that case, we discuss taking exams and alternative testing at DRES. From testing rooms to skilled exam proctors, alternative testing offers adjustable furniture and computers for my online exams. I can even hear in exams questions.
Who is considered the father of psychoanalysis?
Sigmund Freud is considered the father of psychoanalysis. And speak my answers. And if I need to make my screen bigger, it's just a simple click away. If you want to schedule an exam with DRES, first, I talk to my professors about creating a course exam profile. Once that's done, I can now get into SAS and request exam dates. I always make sure to do this early so that DRES has enough time to get what they need. On the day of my exam, I go to DRES and sign in at the front. I'm then directed to all testing hallway. Here, I'll see the all testing staff. I show them my CSUN ID right afterwards. After verification, I put my backpack and other belongings in the lockers nearby. I also make sure to turn off my phone and other devices. I can only bring certain devices and reference materials if they are approved for my exam. Then, I verify other paperwork with the all testing staff, and I'm ready to take the exam. Once I'm done, I go back to alternative testing desk, verify all the materials are in the exam envelope, then sign and turn it in. It's that easy. All testing will both pick up and deliver my exam to my professor. I don't have to worry about that. I know if I have any questions or concerns, DRES will just be a phone call away. They've helped me, and I think they can help you too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Visit us at www.csun.edu/DRES. We are located in Baramian Hall 110, and our extension is 2684.